गुड मॉर्निंग। लास्ट सेशन ની અંદર આપણે ઇન્ટરપોલેશન એક્સ્ટ્રાપોલેશન એનો ટાઈપ 1 ન્યૂટન ફોરવર્ડ મેથડ એનો ફર્સ્ટ એક્ઝામ્પલ કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરેલો હતો. નાઉ એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 2. The marks obtained by 865 students in examination are as follow: less than marks 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, and number of students 120, 145, 200, 250, 150. Estimate the number of students getting marks between 40 to 50. ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ આપણે જે પણ સ્ટુડન્ટ આપેલા છે એ બધાના માર્ક્સને આપણે લેસ ધેનમાં કન્વર્ટ કરવા પડશે. એટલે આપણે કોલમ બનાવશું લેસ ધેન નંબર ઓફ સ્ટુડન્ટ. લેસ ધેન 20 ઓલરેડી આપી દીધા છે 120. ધેન આફ્ટર લેસ ધેન 40. Less than 40, 120 plus 145. 120 plus 145, 265. Less than 60, 265 plus 200, that is 465. In short, આપણે CFI find કરવાની છે, સંચય આવૃત્તિ. Less than 80, 465 plus 250, 465 plus 250, that is 715. Less than 100, 715 plus 150 plus 150, that is 865. There are total 865 students are there. It is given that. Now step 1, prepare table. 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100. 120, 265, 465, 715, 865. Change in UX, that is 265 minus 120, that is 145. 465 minus 265, that is 200. 715 minus 465, that is 250. 865 minus 715, that is 150. In short, these are the change in UX. Now delta square UX, 200 minus 145, 55. 250 minus 200, 50. 150 minus 200, minus 100. 50 minus 55, that is minus 5. Minus 100, minus 50, minus 150, minus 150, minus minus 5, minus 145. That is U0, delta U0, delta square U0, delta cube U0, delta raised to 4 U0. Now step 2, find Z. Z is equal to x minus a upon h. Z x, x એટલે initial value. We have to find out less than marks between 40 to 50, that means less than 50 આપણે સૌથી પહેલા ફાઇન્ડ કરશું. Between 40 to 50, that is less than 50. So less than 50, that is x is equal to 50 minus initial value of x, that is 20, divided by h means class interval, બધા વચ્ચે 20 નો ડિફરન્સ છે, divided by 20, 50 minus 20, that is 30, 30 divided by 20, that is 1.5. Z is equal to 1.5. Step 3, put equation of ux, u0 120 plus delta u0 145 plus z 1.5 minus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by delta square u0, that is 55 plus 1.5 minus 1, 1.5 minus 2 divided by 3 factorial, that is 6, multiplied by delta cube u0 minus 5 plus 1.5 minus 1, 1.5 minus 2, 1.5 minus 3 divided by 4 factorial, that is 24, multiplied by minus 145. 120 plus 145 plus 1.5 multiplied by 0.5 multiplied by 55 divided by 2 plus 1.5 multiplied by 0.5 multiplied by minus 0.5 multiplied by minus 5 divided by 6 plus 1.5 multiplied by 0.5 multiplied by minus 0.5 multiplied by minus 1.5 multiplied by minus 145 divided by 24. So 120 plus 145 plus 1.5 multiplied by 0.5 multiplied by 55 divided by 2, that is 20.625 plus 1.5 multiplied by 0.5 multiplied by 0.5 minus multiplied by minus 5, that is plus 187 divided by 6, that is 0.3125 plus 1.5 multiplied by 0.5 multiplied by 0.5 minus multiplied by 1.5 minus multiplied by 145 minus divided by 24, that is minus 3.340. So 120 plus 145 plus 20.625 plus 0.3125 plus minus minus 3.40, that is 282.54. This is less than 50. 282.54. એમાંથી આપણે માઇનસ કરશું લેસ ધેન 40, એટલે આપણે મળી જશે between 40 to 50. 265 minus 265, that is 17.54. This is between 40 to 50. Between 40 to 50. 17.54. This is your answer. Next, example number 2, that is example number 3. From the following data, estimate the number of person earning daily wages between 20 to 25. wages up to 10, up to 20, up to 30, up to 40 and up to 50 are given. Number of person are given 20, 45, 115, 210, 325. CFI already આપણે આપી દીધી છે એટલે CFI બનાવવાની જરૂર નથી. Now 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 20, 45, 115, 210, 325. 45 minus 20, that is 25. 115 minus 45, that is 70. 210 minus 115, 95. 325 minus 210, 115. 70 minus 25, that is 45. 95 minus 70, that is 25. 115 minus 95, that is 20. 25 minus 45, that is minus 20. 20 minus 25, that is minus 5. Minus 5 minus 20, that is 15 plus. This is U0, that is delta U0, delta square U0, delta cube U0, delta raised to 4 U0. Now find Z. Z is equal to x minus a upon h. फाइंड करवाना है between 20 to 25. એટલે સૌથી પહેલા આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરશું up to 25. So our x is 25 minus a. A means initial value, that is 10, divided by class interval of each 10. 25 minus 10 divided by 10, that is 1.5. ux નું ઇક્વેશન મૂકશે. ux is equal to u0 plus delta u0 plus z minus 1 divided by 2 factorial delta square u0 plus z minus 1 z minus 2 divided by 3 factorial delta cube u0 plus z minus 1 z minus 2 z minus 3 divided by 4 factorial delta raised to 4 u0. સૌથી પહેલા u0 આપણે મળ્યા છે 20. delta u0, that is 25. delta u0, that is 25. z and also z delta u0. Z is equal to 1.5 multiplied by 20 plus z 1.5 z minus 1 1.5 minus 1 delta square u0, that is 45 divided by 6, divided by 2 plus z minus 1 z minus 2 1.5 minus 1 1.5 minus 2 delta cube u0 minus 20 divided by 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6 plus 1.5 minus 1 1.5 minus 2 1.5 minus 3 divided by 24 multiplied by delta raised to 4 50. Here 50. 20 plus 1.5 multiplied by 20, that is 30 plus 1.5 multiplied by 0.5 multiplied by 45 divided by 2, 1.5, 0.5, minus 0.5 multiplied by minus 20 divided by 6. Plus 1.5, 0.5, minus 0.5, 1.5 multiplied by 15 divided by 24. So 20, 30, 1.5 multiplied by 0.5 multiplied by 45 divided by 2, that is 16.875, plus 1.5 multiplied by 0.5 multiplied by minus 0.5 multiplied by minus 20 minus minus plus divided by 6, 1.25. 1.5 multiplied by 0.5 multiplied by minus 0.5 multiplied by minus 1.5 minus minus plus multiplied by 15 divided by 24.35. So 20, 30, 16.875, 1.25, 0.35, 68.475. This is up to 25. Up to 25, that is 68.475. Now we have to find out between 20 to 25. So એમાંથી આપણે માઇનસ કરશું up to 20. Up to 20 માઇનસ કરશું up to 20, 45. Minus 45, that is 23.475. This is between 20 to 25. Between 20 to 25, 23.475. Okay. Next, example number 2. There is one correction is there. Here Z multiply thase 145 multiplied by 145 multiplied by Z is equal to 1.5. 50 minus 20 divided by 20. 1.5 multiply thase. So 145 multiplied by 1.5 plus 120 plus 20.625 plus 0.3125 minus 3.40, that is 355.03. 355.04 minus 265, that is 90.03. This is 90.03 in example number 2. Here our sum is completed. Next session we will start our next example. Thank you.